What do you got there, Moo-moo, huh? Are you eating a chew toy? Kathy just brought Moo-moo some chew toys. So I'm so excited. Kathy finally made it to the RTR.
Thank you. Onward Bound.
Awesome. Uh-huh. She does.
Okay.
She loves it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a wonderful day.
Okay, you too.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Moo-moo, look at you. What's this? Can you get it? She's like, it's my ball. Get it. Get it, get it, get it. Ah. And action. People always laugh when they get on it. It's so funny. You go, girl. You go. Now look at her. Now she's like a pro. She's like, she was so scared.
Dance in the desert with you for 30 seconds.
Okay, can you be on camera?
Sure.
All right, tell everybody hello.
Hello.
Where are you from?
Victoria, BC, going to North Carolina.
Oh, awesome. Look at you.
Onward Bound.
Thank you.
Right.
Bye, y'all.
Bound, baby. Take care.
Bye now. Okay, so what were your
God,
thoughts?
that is so fun.
Isn't it?
Yes. I want one.
I know.
Oh my God.
And I only had it on 3, so like if you're in cities and stuff, it goes up to 9.
Wow.
So it can go a lot faster than that.
Yeah.
But here, yeah, I keep it low because of all the rocks and stuff. So, but
Right.
it's still powerful though.
Yeah. You have to remember, like, as soon as you start pedaling, it's gonna go.
Right.
And so it's a different mindset.
Right.
You know, if you're trying to be careful and you
But-
want to slow down, you don't pedal to.
Right. Exactly. So did you like? Does it feel like someone's pushing you?
Yeah. Yeah. Exactly.
So what's your names?
I'm Ray, and this is Pam Santana. We're with Santana RVing.
Awesome.
And you helped us hit the road. We just started full-time RVing in September.
Wonderful. I'm glad y'all are on the road. So where are you from?
Originally Santa Maria, California.
Okay, cool.
Over by Morro Bay. That's where we first saw you.
Yeah, I love Morro Bay. It's an
But now
awesome place.
we're from Livingston, Texas, with escapees.
Cool. Well, it's nice to meet y'all.
Likewise. All right. Take care, and we'll keep watching.
Thank y'all. So what's your name?
Enrique,
Enrique. And where are you from?
Oakland.
Nice to meet you.
Good to meet you.
So what brings you here? Who's
My
his?
dog, Brandy.
Randy?
Brandy.
Oh, Brandy.
That's a cute name.
That is a cute name.
I'm healing.
Oh, awesome. Well, I'm glad you made it.
Good warm stuff.
All right. Thank you for stopping by.
Thank you.
Oh, God. I hope you have a safe trip, okay?
Thank you very much. Onward Bound.
Awesome. So it's a hybrid. That's awesome. You said, what does it do?
Well, it's a hybrid, and it has about a 15-gallon tank, I think, and, and it gets about almost. It can get, if I'm real careful, I can get it almost to 600 miles per tank.
Oh, awesome.
And I'm staying in this for the RTR, and but next year I'll be back in something a little more roomier.
Hey, mister, how are you doing?
I got a sore throat from talking so much.
Oh my God, it's not the thing that's going around, is it?
No.
Okay, good.
No, I've just been enjoying meeting everyone.
Awesome.
So cool.
We're having a potluck here at 6 o'clock. You're more than welcome.
Come join you.
Cool. Awesome.
You having fun?
Yes.
Cool.
A lot of stuff going on.
It's going to be hard to kind of top the whole karaoke night.
I know. That was epic. I really enjoyed that. This is your dog, what?
His name's Panda.
Oh my God. That's freaking awesome.
I don't know
Hey,
how long
Panda.
he's big, but he's had the name for 5 years.
Oh no, he beats me. Mine's only 3 years, so.
I saw your channel. I'm like, damn it. I was being original.
He's beautiful.
Thank you.
Huge. He's pretty big.
He's a big boy.
Yeah.
83, I think.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, awesome.
It's all fluff, though.
Oh.
He looks like a rat when he's
I don't know. He looks kind of like.
He's muscular.
Yes, he is. Hey.
Oh, good boy.
Awesome. Hey, nice to meet you. Is it okay to be on camera?
Patches.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Hi.
My friend Sinead.
Nice to meet you.
We've seen you guys. We were at Ocean Shores the same time you guys were down
cool,
there.
cool.
And we wound up just like being neighbors. I didn't want to like come over and bug you guys.
I don't mind. I like people to talk to.
I'll be talking to you.
Okay. All right. Be safe, okay?
Onward Bound.
Be safe. Love ya.
You're such a good person.
Thank you. Well, hey there, Puddin'.
I picked this up for you
Okay.
at Ace Hardware.
Awesome.
So now I can go and finish your screen and get it remounted on your door.
Right, because we were lacking just a little bit of that,
Yes.
right?
Well, we were lacking a lot of bit of it because there was some missing. Because your bottom of your door actually had a metal plate on it.
Yeah, I know.
So there was no cordage to it.
Right.
So I'm going to get the cord on, get your door put on, maybe even try to fix your seal here that's falling off.
I know, that would be awesome. I appreciate that.
So I'll get that fixed too, at least try to, and then that way you'll have your door back.
Thanks, Pudding.
You're welcome. And your screws are falling out of your door too.
I know, they keep on doing that for some reason.
I'll try to screw them back in. I'll bring my bit back over.
Okay,
and
thanks.
Get that done too.
All right, so what's going on over here, Missy?
Nothing.
I saw some. Oh, aren't you fancy?
I'm really sorry. I lied about the whole queen thing being done. I didn't do it. I got crowned. So.
Oh no! I thought we were done with that.
Well, we're done with it, but I'll keep it just in my RV. Just queen for me.
Well, you can still do the whole queen thing. It's all good, but I don't think there needs to be multiples.
I really don't want to be a queen, but
yeah, I thought you were giving that title up, ma'am.
I did the title. Could this stand for something else?
No, you were supposed to be like the Miss
the...
RV 2017. You were supposed to give it up in 2018.
Oh,
remember?
well, I gave it. Yeah, it's up. It's gone. It's gone.
Hey, I don't know. You're kind of holding on to that crown. I've seen this before.
I've seen this look. Have you seen this look?
No, I've seen this before where they don't want to give up their crown. They're like, no, I can't pass my crown
first
on.
First of all, let's make it really clear. I never had a crown. So this is, I lost my crown. Well, actually, Carolyn gambled hers away. Let's just get the facts. I had 2 crowns.
Right.
And then I was decrowned. So now I've been recrowned. But I promise, we'll keep it off YouTube.
Okay.
No one's gonna know.
So we will see if she stays to her word true.
Yeah.
This crown is not coming outside this RV.
No, I just need you to go ahead and walk down the dirt road doing your queen wave.
The queen wave. And,
yes, do the queen wave, girl.
No, it's a goodbye. Goodbye. I was a queen for a day, really. I got crowned, finally.
Awesome.
Gosh, darn it.
What?
We're here with your brand new door.
That's freaking awesome.
And look, it's
oh, wow. That looks good. Oh, that looks really good, y'all.
He did it.
I know. Amazing job.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You should see how tight that is.
Let me see. Ooh. I like how the bottom has the really tough for like animals.
The thing I want to explain to you, like I'm gonna turn this upside down. When this door was first built, remember I told you about the kick
Yeah,
plate?
I know.
So there's no rod to go across here for this. So this is how this has got to be.
Right, I get it.
But we tucked it in as tight as we could get.
Oh, I'm happy with it. You know what? It's just, yeah, it looks really good. I'm happy, so happy. You know, that is so much better than it was.
And that should last you quite a bit of time.
Right.
So we are going
That also will help. You remember how the door was coming apart? But this should help keep the door together.
Yes, we are going to, I got a couple
install
new screws.
Okay, cool.
And put these back in.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is where
you need someone to hold for you, right?
Yeah.
All right.
You want me to get in?
Well, I'm trying to figure out.
Can you do it from out here?
I think we can do it from out here.
Some of the ones that came up are yours.
This ain't our first rodeo.
I know. You got this. You got this. This is just gonna be so freaking awesome. Keep the flies out.
That actually looks a lot nicer too.
It does.
And now you have a pet-friendly screen too.
I know, yeah, because this is really durable. Moo-moo's not bad about that.
No.
But you never know.
There might be somebody that has animals that might be bad.
That looks awesome. Thank you so much.
You are welcome. Anytime.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I like helping.
Thank you. I appreciate that. And you fixed the molding too.
A man can do it. Do we put
Them's fighting.
Oh, here it goes.
Cut. Where are y'all going?
Right here.
We were headed.
I forgot to give this to you the other day. That she brought it over for you. It's for kitten.
Oh, kitten would
It's all kitten. Look at all that. It's all organic.
Oh my gosh.
Right? I'm sorry.
You want kitty food?
Yes, give me the kitty food. That's so cute.
There's Jimmy. Hi.
sure.
We just miss you guys.
I know. We miss y'all too.
I know, see. We just saw her.
I don't care, please. So you, okay, where are y'all from?
We're from Savannah, Georgia.
Okay, and how do y'all know each other?
We are friends.
We're best friends.
Awesome.
And you better say I'm his best friend or he's gonna be bloody on camera. My name is Celine.
And I'm David.
It's really nice to meet y'all. So how long are you going to be here?
Oh, we have to leave either tomorrow or the day after. Yeah, because we have to get back to work. So we're gonna try to go to California real quick.
W word.
Yeah, it's hard.
So you're going to go, where are you going in California?
Because I want to put my feet in the Pacific Ocean.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah.
That's it.
Well, it was really nice to meet y'all.
It's nice to meet you.
But we want to tell
And
you how much
safe
we
trips.
appreciate your videos and all the work that you do. We know exactly how hard it is because he actually is a cinematography major.
Oh,
So
okay.
he knows how it is to edit videos and take videos and how time consuming it is. So
Right.
we really, really appreciate the work.
Well,
that you
thanks. I appreciate that, y'all.
Like,
I would.
wait,
Wait, hold on. I just want to see the sign.
Oh, you don't want to see me.
Look.
Famous.
You have been stamped by Nomadic Fanatic.
You know.
Got her good. Got her good.
Got it good. Yeah. Famous RV Joey. Yes. People go. I'm gonna write who? Who?
I want you to put a question mark there,
I'm
too.
just gonna write in.
Infamous.
Oh, yeah.
How about not? I need to add a piece of paper so people can write their own little thoughts on it, their own true feelings.
All right, everybody. Well, the potluck has turned out wonderful. There are tons of people here. I want to thank y'all for hanging out with me today, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Love everyone out there.